Eco-warrior Prince Harry been accused of hypocrisy after he landed back in Santa Barbara, U.S., having supposedly flown millionaire pal's private jet home. The 36-year-old royal, known for campaigning about environmental issues, reportedly boarded the 20-seater £45 million plane from a polo match in Aspen, Colorado, to his home in Santa Barbara, California, on Thursday, August 19. He took the 2-hour flight, which could have emitted as much as 10 tons of CO2, shortly after he was pictured on horseback at the polo. The Gulfstream jet is understood to belong to one of Harry's polo friends, Marc Ganzi, according to The Sun. After touching down in Santa Barbara, Harry was believed to have been rushed into the car and headed back to his mansion in Montecito with Meghan and their 2 children. It comes just 3 months after Harry said climate change was one of the most pressing issues we are facing. Speaking to Oprah Winfrey on Apple TV, Harry said, "With kids growing up in today's world, pretty depressing, right? Depending on where you live, your home country is either on fire, it's either underwater, houses or forests are being flattened." Harry previously attracted criticism for taking 4 private jet flights in 11 days, including to a climate change summit in Sicily. Of Harry's latest private jet trip, royal author Tom Quinn told The Sun, "This appears to be enormously hypocritical, given all his talk about climate change. Harry seems to see himself as someone who guides the rest of the world and that his own behavior isn't relevant. It is a huge blind spot." Harry made a surprise appearance on Thursday at the polo event for his charity Centebail, which helps children affected by HIV in Africa. It was the Duke's first appearance in public since the birth of his daughter Lilibet. Daily Star has contacted a representative for Prince Harry for comment. To keep up to date with all the latest news and stories, be sure to sign up to one of Daily Star's free newsletters here.